is there are some data that are not important. There is need for you to eliminate them or remove them away from the what database. So that's the first one. So let's go to the next one, and that is number 2. Goals of what? Normalization. Then it also helps you to ensure data dependency. Then it helps you to be able to relate and get more understanding of what the database is trying to illustrate.
This is EIS's ICT lab, where we learn about the use of computers, different computer softwares like MS Word, CorelDRAW, with the use of state-of-the-art equipment like computers and IP boards.
Ebunoluwa International School ICT department is saddled with the responsibility of teaching students basic and advanced information and communication skills. The intriguing part is that they are not just limited to doing that. The department also collaborates with the world of technology to build young ones who will be able to handle and solve major and minor computational problems in data processing and data analysis. It also produces individuals who will be relevant across the global climes of robotics and coding. Come with me to catch a glimpse of what I am saying.
HTML is the programming language for web pages. To create web pages, we need HTML. Now that's the primary function of HTML as a programming language. Generally, or basically, there are about 3 different programming languages that we use for web development. HTML is the first, CSS is the second, and then JavaScript is the third. But today we will talk about the basics of HTML. We'll get to know the meaning of the abbreviation HTML and then know basically what HTML does. Now the meaning of HTML is hypertext markup language. The meaning of HTML is what? Hypertext markup language.